lahat kayang harapin. Kung dito ka lang ang buong lakas ay ibibigay ko kahit masaktan, ika'y pupuntahan kahit saan ka man. Kung kailangan mo ako, aking mahal, dito ka lang kahit puso ko. Jollibee ano daw? Ako live meron sa bye. Okay! Mamahalin pa rin kita, dito ka lang palagi sa aking tabi, lahat kayang harapin. Dito ka lang, stay with me. Dito sa aking tabi, watashi to ite kudasai. Dito ka lang. You know. Alright. Thank you. Kita kurete arigato. Oh, cotto matte. Wait for a while. Meron akong gustong kantahin eh. I want to sing so I can't remember the tawag ito? The title. Hindi ko maalala yung title. I can't remember the Nano title dake? Tagalog song. Ako, hindi yan. Ano ba yan? Sister, Hindi song. Anong Hindi song? Hindi song! Payal is still there. Payal model, my sister. Hindi song is, India. India song. So sorry, I cannot. I will try to practice, ha? I forgot to practice kasi nakalimutan ko mag-practice ng Hindi. Nag-request siya dati. Before you said, no? So sorry, ha? Hindi song. What is the title of Hindi song? Do you have a title? I will search. So we can listen the karaoke. Okay? Okay? Are you there, my dear sister? India no uta datte. I am sad. Is that the title or Payal Monal is sad? Samishi, I am sad. Watashi wa samishi desu. In Nihongo de. Sorry, daime. Title, I am sad. Malungkot ako. I am malungkot. I am sad. No. No. What is no? Is this title? Kore daime no uta? Bene, wakaranai bene. I didn't know. どっちなんだろうわかんないべね。No, no, no. This is not the title. Payal Mondal is sad today. Tama. Ate, Payal, my dear sister, Samishi. Bene also. Same, likewise. Bene mo, Samishi yo. Why are you sad, Payal? Bene is sad, but I am nanto ka gambatteru. I am trying to be happy. Oi ko nga shinjata kara, my nephew is go to heaven. So in the Philippines, so we have as dun lang dito. So he is not yet in cemetery. So the relative is shinseki to ka tomodachi to ka. That is on Saturday. Saturday will go on cemetery. Doyobi de ohaka ko kyokai ite ohaka ni yote da so desu. Yote. Onechan no hanashi. Okay? Payal, are you okay, Payal? Wait, maglagay nga tayo nito. What is this?